Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Alfredo sauce from scratch. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a couple of cloves of garlic, plus salt and black pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. In a large skillet, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, add 2 minced garlic cloves and sauté them for about 1 minute until they become fragrant. Be careful not to brown the garlic. Next, pour in 2 cups of heavy cream and let it come to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. This is where the magic happens. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce becomes wonderfully smooth. Continue to gently simmer and stir until it reaches your preferred thickness. Finally, season your Alfredo sauce with salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance its rich flavor. Your homemade Alfredo sauce is now ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over your favorite hot pasta, like fettuccine, for a truly satisfying meal. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of additional Parmesan cheese. This easy recipe makes about 3 cups of rich, creamy sauce, perfect for sharing or saving for later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.